After subscribing this channel, hit the bell icon to get all the updates on Java and Web. Just visit the playlist section of this channel and you will find almost everything in Java SE and Java EE. Find the various sessions of Java and Web as various playlists. This is the 17th of March 2020 and the Java 14 has been released. Namaste everyone, I am Gyan and let's install the latest version of Java, that is Java 14 in Windows 10. Go to Google and type download Java Oracle. Press enter and right click on this link. The link is provided in the video description. Java SE downloads Oracle Technology Network Oracle. Java SE downloads. Here we are on the website of Oracle and we are all set to download Java 14. As here you can see, the Java SE 14 is the latest release of Java SE platform. Click on JDK download. And now you are on the web page of Java SE JDK 14 downloads. The link of this page is provided in the video description. You can directly come to this page. Just go down on this page and here you can find various installation files. We need to download Windows x64 installer. You can install Java 14 only on 64-bit operating systems. You cannot install Java 14 on a 32-bit operating system. My Windows 10 operating system is of 64 bits, therefore I can easily install Java 14. Now the question is how you can check if your Windows is 64 bits or 32 bits. To do that, press Windows plus E button, E for elephant, Windows plus E button. Then go on this PC, then right click anywhere and click on Properties. Then see the system type. Your Windows is 64-bit operating system and executing on x64 based processor. So this is the proof that my operating system is of 64 bits, not 32 bits. Therefore, I am all eligible to download this file. Click here to download. It is saying that you must accept the Oracle Technology Network License Agreement for Oracle Java SE to download this software. So I must have to check here. I reviewed and accept the Oracle Technology Network License Agreement for Java Oracle SE. Click on download. The download will start and I want to save it in downloads directory. Click on save. Let this file to download and I will resume the recording after download. The executable file has been downloaded. Click on this button, the arrow up button, and show in folder. Here is our executable file. Let's double click on this executable file, Java 14 Windows x64_bin. Yes, press yes. Java download starts. The JDK will be installed in this folder, C drive program files, Java JDK 14. Click on next. The Java installation started. Copying new files, extracting installer. There are various stages of the Java installation. The Java SE Development Kit 14 successfully installed. If you want to check these things, to access tutorial, API documentation, developer guides, release notes, etc., then you can click on next steps. But I'm clicking on close because we are done with Java installation. Now let's open the command prompt. Click here and type cmd. This is the command prompt. Click on open and type here java-version. Press enter. It's saying that Java is not recognized. If you type here Java C-version, press enter, it is again saying that the Java C is not recognized as internal or external command. But we just have installed Java. What happened now? Why our system is not recognizing the Java? The problem is that you need to set the path. Now what is this? Why to set the path and how to set the path? If you want to know why to set the path, then visit the session 1 of Java and Web. There you will learn why you need to set the path. But here we will just set the path. You follow the procedure and you will able to set the path. To do that, press Windows button plus E and click on PC. Go to C drive, go to program files, go to Java, go to JDK 14, go to bin, and all the executable commands related to Java are present in this directory. You can find here Java, you can find here Java C, you can find here jar, and all the executables you can find which are useful to execute the Java command. So copy this directory, click anywhere here, select all, and right click, then copy. After that, go to this PC once again and right click anywhere. Click on properties, click on advanced system settings, click on environment variables. Then under the system variables, click on path, click on edit, then click on new. Whatever you have copied, just paste here. Control V, just paste it here. Then click on move up and move your pasted path at the top. It is not necessary to move the pasted path on the top, but it is safe to move your pasted path on the top. And secondly, if you have another Java installation and path to that older Java installation is before the Java 14, then by typing Java command, you will always end up getting that older Java installation. Therefore, you move your path to Java 14 always on the top. Click on OK, click on OK, click on OK. Open another terminal. The change will be effective from another terminal. Type CMD, press enter. You have another terminal. Now type Java -version. Press enter. And now we are working with Java 14. Again type Java C-version. Congratulations, we are working with Java 14. So that's all for this video. Hope to see you with other videos on Java and Web. Goodbye and see you.